Weld-On Pipe Repair Wrap is a silicone-based self-fusing pipe repair wrap for plastic pipe, metal pipe, hoses, sprinklers, and more. The tape stops leaks quickly by fusing to itself when overlapped and wrapped tightly around the hole or cracks. Measure and cut a length of wrap for at least one complete overlap. Peel the wrap away from the protective liner. Tightly stretch the original length for best results and wrap over the leak. Overlap the wrap a minimum of 3 times to fuse it securely, extending 1 inch past the leak. Completely overlap the last wrap onto the previous wrap and compress tightly for a final seal. Check for gaps, wrinkles, or air bubbles, ensuring a smooth and secure application. Do not try to reposition the bond once the fusing process has begun. To learn more about Weld-On's new pipe repair wrap, visit www.weldon.com.